Hi there folks, I'm your digital marketing cowboy. Now today we're going to be talking about social proof. Now out here in the worldwide digital west, we usually start out with our own toko, our website, somewhere in a dark little alley, far away from the main street. Now at this point a very important thing is to have some social proof. Yep, you can think you're amazing, but it's better to have other people talk to other people about you in a positive way. Now my mom always used to say, nobody's going to love you, son, if you don't love yourself first. Now isn't that amazing? It's all inside our head. We have absolutely no control of what other people are going to think of us, but we have all the control of what we think about ourselves. So if you need some social proof on your website, and you need to have some opinions of other people, start creating them. Yeah, I really think it's amazing. So if you ask me, like, who has influenced you the last couple of years, who has influenced you the most, I would have to say DMC. Absolutely.
Now, I'm really grateful that I bumped into DMC, the digital marketing cowboy, because I used to be a real techno junkie, you know, with the beats and all the substances that go with that. And DMC has really taught me how to separate the tech from the techno junkie. So I have been a part-time digital guru for about 3 years, and DMC has really taught me how to crush my ego. He has really taught me with his characters to crush the ego and set yourself free.
So me and Ted have always had this dream to travel and see the world, explore the world. And suddenly we came across this advert, DMC's advert on internet, and it really transformed our way of thinking.
So this education and the DMC has been a really great help in cultivating my own personal passion, my own personal goal in my life.
Well folks, thank you very much for watching this video. I guess the lesson for today is love yourself first, then others will follow. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.